Hello, good morning dear gloomy children. It is me Suresh Bharadwaj, ex TGT English, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Let us learn yesterday how to frame sentences on future continuous tense. Action taking place in future and that action is continued. Action that is continued in the future. General rule of this tense, generalization of this tense, will, shall, be, principal verb ing. Present participle, principal verb ing, present participle. For your first personal pronoun, shall. And for second and third, will. Third person, third personal pronoun or third person. Will, shall, be followed by verb ing. Hindi structure or Hindi sentence has been written here. हम मैच खेल रहे होंगे. खेलने का कार्य भविष्य में होगा. हम सब्जेक्ट, मैच ऑब्जेक्ट, खेलना वर्ब क्रिया, खेल रहे होंगे. We then shall. We shall be. खेलना playing match. We shall be playing match. Likely other sentences now has been written here. Other sentence here has been written. The children will be appearing at board exams in 2021. बच्चे बोर्ड एग्जाम्स 2021 में अपीयर कर रहे होंगे, परीक्षा बैठ रहे होंगे, सम्मिलित हो रहे होंगे. अभी तो 2020 है. 21 means future action. Children subject, third person, plural form, will. The children will be appearing at board exams in 2021. हम एक मित्रवत फुटबॉल मैच संडे को खेलेंगे. खेल रहे होंगे, खेल रहे होंगे, रहा होगा, रहे होंगे, रही होगी. Subject, we shall be playing a friendly football match on Sunday. Okay. It means will and shall to be followed by be, then verb ing. Affirmative sentences. These are the affirmative sentences. Will be, shall be, followed by verb ing. For your negative structure, negative sentence, just before be, principal verb. Be, principal verb. Just before be, principal verb. Not to be used. Not. You will not be taking part in the debate. Debate में तुम हिस्सा नहीं ले रहे होगे. Will not be taking part. Not to be. Principal verb, be here, just before be, principal verb, not to be used. Not. You will not be taking part in the debate. Likely other sentence, किसान पौधों को कल 7:15 पर सिंचाई नहीं कर रहे होंगे. The farmers will not be watering. Be watering, just before be watering, not to be used. The plants tomorrow at 7:15 a.m. Negative sentences, these are negative sentences. Affirmative sentences, negative sentences. And to get yes, no response, in that case, will, shall, helping verb of this tense, will, shall, taken out. Would be taken out. Shall. Shall we be playing tomorrow? क्यों हम कल खेल रहे होंगे? क्या और क्यों? In Hindi, क्या और क्यों? Shall we be playing tomorrow? Means yes, or no. For your yes, no response. Shall and will to be taken out. Shall we be playing tomorrow? क्या हम लोग खेल रहे होंगे? Shall here, take it out. Shall we be playing tomorrow? Yes or no? Will you be taking part in the debate? You will not be taking part in the debate. Will, take it out. Will you be taking part in the debate? क्या आप डिबेट में हिस्सा ले रहे होंगे? Suppose if you wanted to make it it is interrogative to get yes no response. In that case, if you wanted to use negative structure, will you not be, not here, will you not be taking part in the debate tomorrow? Will you not be taking part in the debate? Be taking, just before be taking, be principle of ing, not to be used. To frame sentences using interrogative words. To know, where, place, for place where, for object what, for time when, for method how, for person who. Where shall we be playing? हम कहाँ खेल रहे होंगे? Where followed by shall. Then rest portion remains the same. What shall we be playing? What means object. I mean much. Where, place. What, object. Where shall we be playing? When will the children be appearing at exams? When means it refers to time. Speaker wants to know time. When will the children be appearing at exams? बच्चे कब परीक्षा में बैठ रहे होंगे? For your method, how will you be taking part in the debate? डिबेट में आप कैसे हिस्सा ले रहे होगे? कैसे? How, then will shall taken out. How will you be taking part in the debate? कौन हिस्सा ले रहा होगा? सारी ये पौधा को सींच रहा होगा. Who will नहीं सींच रहा होगा. Who will not be watering plants? पौधों को कौन पानी नहीं दे रहा होगा, सींच रहा होगा. Okay, these are the interrogative sentences using what, where, when, how, etc. Now two sentences I have written here on whiteboard. Look at these two sentences, very particular, very special. These are two sentences here. When I reach home, जब हम घर पहुंचेंगे. It will be raining, heavily there. It will be raining heavily there. It will be raining. Future continuous. It will be raining. Future continuous. When I reach home, जब हम घर पहुंचेंगे. Present indefinite. यानी जब हम घर पहुंचते हैं तो तेज वर्षा हो रही होगी. Future, sorry, present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Okay. When I reach home, adverb clause. It will be raining heavily there. Principal clause, complex sentence. When you learn under the topic clause, at that time you will get much more information about such kind of sentences. Next sentence I have written here. If you work hard, present tense here. If you work hard, अगर आप कठिन परिश्रम करोगे, करते हो, you will be learning more better. आप बढ़िया सीख रहे होगे. You will be learning better This is now future continuous tense, but this is present tense, conditional clause. Okay, if you work hard, adverb clause showing condition, you will be learning better. This is now principal clause, complex sentence. So such kind of sentences you may also frame on this system, on this pattern. So dear children, please do like, share and subscribe to your near and dear friends, to learners, to students, and try to watch the video fully and try to learn more and more. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.